The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sandoval County in north-central New Mexico, eastern Bernalillo County in central New Mexico, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over South Valley, or 9 miles southwest of Albuquerque, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Albuquerque around 6:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Los Ranchos to Albuquerque and Paradise Hills around 6:10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Corrales, North Valley, Rio Rancho Intel Area, Cabazon, and Sandia Heights around 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Sandia Pueblo and Vista Hills around 6:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Rio Rancho City Center around 6:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Coronado State Monument and Enchanted Hills around 6:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Rio Rancho, Bernalillo, and Santa Ana Pueblo around 6:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Alameda, Carnuel, Canoncito in Bernalillo County, San Antonio, and Algodones. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 149 and 176. Interstate 25 between mile markers 200 and